Jailan, you know. Sorry, Jailan. Huh? What do you think she's feeling?
They have a presence, you have a presence in even deliverance here.
What it meant? What it took you? You know, I'm feeling this. That's why I'm giving you time to solve. You see that if you lose this, I was going in. Which is not a crime, joking around.